Welcome to Bike Update, the ultimate destination for motorcycle enthusiasts who crave real insights, honest reviews, and the latest updates from the world of two wheels. In today's video, we're exploring the 2026 Honda Shadow Phantom, a cruiser that embodies the perfect balance between classic American-inspired styling and Japanese precision engineering. The Shadow Phantom has been one of Honda's most iconic midsize cruisers for years. For 2026, Honda refines the formula with upgraded technology, smoother performance, and a darker, more menacing design. Let's break it all down, from its timeless looks to how it rides on the road. A timeless design reinvented. At first glance, the 2026 Shadow Phantom looks familiar, and that's a good thing. Honda didn't try to reinvent what already works. The Phantom still features its signature low-slung stance, teardrop tank, and matte black finish that screams attitude. But look closer, and you'll spot the refinements that make this model stand out. The LED lighting package is now standard, offering brighter visibility while keeping the round, classic headlamp design. The new seat stitching adds premium detail, while revised side panels and a streamlined tail section make the 2026 version cleaner and more muscular. Honda also introduces two new color options, matte iron gray metallic and deep pearl blue, both of which accentuate the cruiser's sculpted lines and give riders more ways to express their personality. The bike's blacked-out exhaust, engine cases, and spoke wheels complete the stealthy, aggressive aesthetic. Engine and power delivery. Beneath the dark exterior lies the same proven and reliable 745 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled 52° V-twin engine, a favorite among Shadow fans. It's tuned for torque rather than top-end power, giving riders that instant surge of pull as soon as they twist the throttle. The engine produces around 44 horsepower and 47 lb-ft of torque, which might not sound extreme, but in practice, it delivers smooth, usable power across all gears. The PGMFI fuel injection system ensures precise throttle response, efficient fuel burn, and quick cold starts, all while maintaining Honda's reputation for bulletproof reliability. Paired with a 5-speed transmission and a shaft drive system that eliminates messy chain maintenance, the Phantom delivers effortless cruising performance that feels both refined and connected to the road. Ride and comfort. Riding the 2026 Shadow Phantom feels like slipping into your favorite leather jacket, familiar, relaxed, and undeniably cool. The 25.8-inch seat height keeps you low and confident, while the forward-set foot controls and wide drag-style handlebars offer that classic laid-back cruiser posture. The 41mm front fork with 4.6 inches of travel and dual rear shocks with 3.5 inches of travel strike an ideal balance between comfort and control. Whether gliding over city streets or open highways, the Phantom delivers a smooth and stable ride. Thanks to its low center of gravity and balanced frame geometry, the Phantom feels planted even during low-speed maneuvers. It's equally suited for new riders who want a manageable cruiser and seasoned riders who appreciate a simple, dependable machine with character. Braking and safety. The 2026 model now comes with standard ABS, enhancing rider confidence in all conditions. Up front, you'll find a 296mm disc brake with a twin-piston caliper, while the rear still features a drum brake setup, a nostalgic nod to classic cruiser simplicity. Combined with a long wheelbase and predictable handling, braking on the Phantom feels smooth, progressive, and stable, exactly what you'd expect from a bike built to cruise, not race. Technology and features. Honda keeps things minimal, but practical. The new semi-digital instrument cluster blends a traditional analog speedometer with a compact LCD screen that displays fuel level, odometer, trip meter, and clock. The LED lighting system, from headlight to turn signals and tail lamp, boosts visibility without ruining the vintage aesthetic. Optional features include a USB-C charging port, windshield, rear backrest, and saddlebags, allowing riders to tailor the Phantom to their touring or daily commuting needs. The 2026 model also features improved electrical wiring, weather-sealed connectors, and refined throttle mapping to make the engine smoother and more efficient at low revs, perfect for stop-and-go traffic or long weekend rides. Fuel economy and efficiency. Honda's efficiency engineering shines here. The 745 cubic centimeters V-twin delivers around 56 miles per gallon, mpg, depending on riding style. With a 3.7-gallon fuel tank, you can expect over 200 miles of range, ideal for long-distance riders who don't want to stop every hour for refueling. It's a bike built not just for style, but for everyday usability. Affordable maintenance, proven reliability, and excellent mileage make the Phantom one of the most practical cruisers in its class. Pricing and availability. The 2026 Honda Shadow Phantom is expected to start at around $8,499, with availability beginning early in 2026 at Honda dealerships worldwide. Given its balance of classic styling, reliability, and new tech updates, it's one of the best value-for-money options in the mid-size cruiser category. It competes directly with bikes like the Yamaha Bolt R-Spec, Kawasaki Vulcan S, and Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650, but the Shadow Phantom's simplicity, durability, and old-school charm give it a unique advantage. Final verdict. The 2026 Honda Shadow Phantom is not trying to be flashy or overpowered, it's a motorcycle that respects tradition while offering just enough modern refinement to make every ride enjoyable. From its stealthy design to its smooth power delivery and unmatched comfort, the Phantom remains a cruiser for riders who appreciate authenticity and reliability. Whether you're a first-time rider looking for an easy-to-handle cruiser or a veteran seeking a no-nonsense, dependable machine, the 2026 Shadow Phantom delivers exactly what Honda promises: ride more, worry less. Outro. That wraps up our detailed review of the 2026 Honda Shadow Phantom. What do you think about this updated version? Would you pick it over the Vulcan S or the Super Meteor 650? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Update for more detailed motorcycle reviews, upcoming model news, and honest performance breakdowns every week. Ride safe, stay powerful, and keep your engines running with Bike Update.